With all of the glitz and the glam of Hollywood, it gets hard sometimes to remember that celebrities are real people just like us. Photos on Instagram can be retouched and edited, and appearances on TV shows and in movies have been altered by lighting, hair, and makeup. In fact, it is often difficult to recognize some celebrities without all the glamour and lighting. Without all the makeup, hairstyling, and fashion, many celebrities just look like normal people. And of course, many celebrities are also total chameleons, transforming their appearances constantly for movie roles or just for the sake of fashion. In this video, we're going to be talking about celebrities who look totally different without makeup. Stay tuned, because you don't want to miss this list. But first, a simple reminder on how to enter our brand new giveaway. We're giving away either an iPhone X Max, the new iPad mini, or a MacBook Pro. It's all your choice. So be sure to leave a like, comment the keyword, subscribe, and turn on notifications to enter the giveaway. It's really that simple. Number 1. Lady Gaga. Lady Gaga is well known for her insane vocals, dedicated fan base, and crazy hair and makeup looks. However, many people don't know what Gaga actually looks like under all that styling. Lady Gaga, whose real name is actually Stephanie Germanotta, loves a glam look, but also likes to scale things back and go for the more natural look from time to time. In an interview with the LA Times, it was revealed that Gaga decided to do her screen test for her smash hit movie A Star Is Born with absolutely no makeup on her face. In addition to looking very natural in the movie, Gaga has also posted a ton of no makeup selfies on her Instagram over the years. While she may look really different from her award show red carpet appearance, Lady Gaga's natural beauty shines through in all of these no makeup moments. Number 2. Katy Perry. Katy Perry is another well-known chameleon in Hollywood. When Katy's scheduled to make an appearance, you can never guess exactly what she's going to look like. We've seen her in some pretty outrageous outfits resembling a cupcake, a chandelier, and even a Christmas tree. She even dressed up as a hamburger in her friend Taylor Swift's music video for the song You Need to Calm Down. While Katy has sported some crazy outfits and makeup looks over the years, she also likes to keep it natural every once in a while. While she looks very different with no makeup, Katy Perry still has natural beauty, with piercing blue eyes and dark black hair. Fans were able to catch a glimpse of Katy without makeup in some paparazzi shots from the beach. Additionally, some other paparazzi and Instagram photos have captured the star without a drop of makeup on her face. While she might be hard to recognize, she still looks great. Way to go, Katy! Number 3. Nicki Minaj. Up next on our list is rapper and singer Nicki Minaj. While Nicki may be known for her hits such as Super Bass and Anaconda, she is also known for her fabulous hair and makeup looks. Minaj is rarely seen without her heavy, glam makeup on and loves to experiment with her style. She is known for using her fun, bright colors in her hair and makeup, and her look has gotten so popular, people have even made Nicki Minaj-inspired makeup tutorials on YouTube. However, when Nicki doesn't have her signature makeup on, she looks completely different. In the few pictures out there of Nicki without makeup on, most of which are from before she was famous, she's almost unrecognizable as the bright, bubbly Nicki Minaj. Nicki is still absolutely gorgeous in these photos, though. Just imagine what young, fresh-faced Nicki would think of her current look. Number 4. Kylie Jenner. Kylie Jenner is a celebrity who is well known for her transformation over the years. When Kylie was a young girl on her family's TV show, Keeping Up with the Kardashians, she looked completely different to how she looks as a 23-year-old woman. Some of this transformation is definitely due to plastic surgery, though. Jenner is particularly well known for having gotten lip injections at the young age of 15 years old. She claimed that she wanted to get lip injections because she kissed her crush from school, and he made a comment to her about how she had small lips. Ouch! Before Kylie admitted to the lip filler, she swore to media outlets for years that her change in appearance was all an illusion made by overlining her lips. While that may not have been the entire truth, Kylie does still look drastically different with and without makeup. Many fans were shocked when paparazzi took a picture of Kylie barefaced in April of 2020, and she was almost unrecognizable. We are so used to seeing Kylie completely glammed and photoshopped on Instagram. It's easy to forget sometimes that she looks like a normal girl underneath it all. Number 5. Tyra Banks. The next celebrity on our list is American model and host of the popular show America's Next Top Model, Tyra Banks. While Tyra is often regarded as one of the most beautiful women of her generation, she certainly gets some help from her hairstyling, makeup, and lighting most of the time. In fact, she actually looks pretty different on her days off when she doesn't have any makeup on. Over the years, the model has not been shy about sharing makeup-free snaps to her Instagram account. In 2018, Banks posted a series of makeup-free photos from her glamping trip for her fans to see. While Tyra does look pretty different without the full face of makeup she usually has in her TV and runway appearances, she is still as beautiful as ever. Through sporting the natural look, Tyra showed her fans that you can still be beautiful and radiant without all the beauty products. Number 6. James Charles. Next up on our list is YouTuber James Charles. James Charles has made waves in the beauty community over the years, launching many successful makeup palettes and even being named the first male face of CoverGirl makeup. Way to go, James! However, amidst all of the glam makeup looks and Facetune on Instagram, it's actually kind of difficult to find an unaltered, makeup-free photo of James Charles. The good news for his fans is that James is not shy about being barefaced in his YouTube videos, many of which are makeup tutorials. Additionally, while James likes to wear makeup, he doesn't wear it every day and often appears makeup-free in vlogs and Instagram stories. Over the years, James has gotten a lot of hate because of how different he looks without makeup. People have made memes about how his foundation rarely matches his actual skin color, and there are some photos out there where he has an extreme extreme white cast on his face from the setting powder he used. Yikes, that's not a good look. However, James holds his head high and doesn't let the haters get to him, no matter how much makeup he decides to wear on a given day. Number 7. Gwyneth Paltrow. Our next celebrity that looks totally different without makeup is actress and all-natural guru Gwyneth Paltrow. While Paltrow has to wear a lot of makeup sometimes for her work, she makes sure to let her fans know that having a bare face is okay. The owner of the wacky, all-natural lifestyle company Goop often likes to sport a fresh face when going out and about. What's even cooler is that when she was selected to be featured in People's 2020 Beautiful issue, she actually chose to take the photo without any makeup on. In the photo, Gwyneth's radiant skin and natural beauty shines through more than ever. Additionally, Paltrow likes to post Instagram photos and even host Goop events without makeup sometimes. What a power move. It might be surprising to see Gwyneth, who we're used to seeing with a full face of makeup in the movies, with nothing on her face. But the message behind it is really great. Plus, it doesn't hurt that she's gorgeous in the first place. Number 8. Kim Kardashian. Kim Kardashian is another celebrity that is well known for her signature makeup look. Usually, when we see Kim on her show Keeping Up with the Kardashians, or at a music awards show or in paparazzi pictures, she is sporting her signature heavy, contoured makeup. In fact, Kim's look is so iconic, she has been the face of several makeup lines, and many of her fans like to imitate her look. However, there have been moments where Kim stepped out into public makeup-free and was absolutely unrecognizable. For example, paparazzi took photos of a bare-faced Kim leaving a photo shoot in December of 2019. Between her lack of makeup, tired appearance, and gray sweatpants, Kim looked just like any average person rather than the massive celebrity that she actually is. Kim tends to handle her makeup-free moments with grace, and has even appeared on some parts of her show without the usual glam. Number 9. Taylor Swift. The next celebrity on our list is the one and only Miss Americana, Taylor Swift. Taylor has a really classically beautiful look, but that doesn't mean that she doesn't typically enhance it with makeup. Throughout the years, Taylor has rarely deviated from her sparkly eyeliner and red lip signature look. However, since Taylor's been in the public eye for so long, there are quite a few snaps of her with a bare face. In fact, Taylor chose to go makeup-free for People's 100 Most Beautiful People issue in 2008. In the photo, Taylor is undeniably gorgeous, but looks pretty different without her signature red lip. What do you guys think? Number 10. Charli D'Amelio. The last person on our list might be a little surprising. It's Charli D'Amelio. Some people might be surprised that we picked Charli for this video, since she normally sports such a natural look, but she still looks totally different with makeup versus without makeup. In a video posted to James Charles' YouTube channel in March of 2020 titled Doing Charli D'Amelio's Makeup, fans were able to see a rare glimpse of Charli with a full glam look. By the end of the video, Charli had a stunning, colorful makeup look, and she also looked very different than she usually does. Since Charli is just 16, it's nice to see her showing off her youthful glow most of the time, but it's also cool to see her experimenting with her look. And with that, we wrap up this video. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.